What happened to the other wiper? Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be installing the missing linkage on the wiper on this 2005 BMW Z4. This is a common issue with BMWs, and hopefully it is just a missing linkage and we don't find anything worse. Let's start by removing the wiper arms. Remove the plastic caps covering the wiper arm nut. Next, remove the wiper arm nut. Use a 16mm socket and wrench to remove the wiper arm nut. Now, carefully apply light pressure on the wiper arm to see if the base of the wiper arm will release from the base of the wiper motor assembly. This one released without any issue. If wiggling does not release the wiper arm from the base, reinstall the wiper nut and use a wiper pulley / removal tool to remove the wiper arm. The tool will apply the needed pressure to the arm in order to release it from the base. If it is really stuck, it might need some extra leverage. Next, we need to remove the cowl or cowling. There are plastic fasteners or clips that we need to remove on the engine bay side. Let's start with this one on the driver's side. The previous one was a pull-up fastener. This one is a screw fastener, so make sure you check before removing them so you have the proper tools to remove them. Then pull off the bottom fastener. Just be careful not to drop them like I did. So I guess some parts are pull-off ones and some are screwed in ones. Unfortunately, I rounded one of the fasteners out, so I have to take it out by force. Don't forget to remove the plastic fasteners that hold the wire on the cowl. Oh, there's one more there. And there's one here just behind the support. So we need to take that out so we can take the cowl out. So for just a quick recap before we continue, we took out the 2 wiper arms and 4 fasteners on the side, plastic fasteners. One I broke, one is behind this strut bar, stabilizer bar or something. So with those out of the way, we can raise the cowl to access the wiper links. Now because I broke this one, so we need to move the cowl forward a bit so we can clear the leftover of the plastic fastener. So here is the wiper arm linkage that was disconnected. Now we'll put this in. Okay. I guess that's how it's supposed to be in.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Now that we figured out how to put the linkage on, we're gonna wait for tomorrow morning to put everything back together.
Tomorrow.
Now we can reinstall the cowling. Now we can reinstall the plastic fasteners in front of the cowling. There are 4 of them again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna start with the hardest one, that is behind this strut brace. And push the pin in. Then I am replacing the one that I broke. Put the fastener bottom, then push the pin in. The outer ones I'm putting the fasteners with the screw-in type. And the last one here on this side. Now let's put on the wiper arms. Now let's put in the wiper nuts, but don't tighten them yet because we want to test first to make sure that the arms are not hitting each other on the on position. The nuts are again 16mm nuts. Okay, let's test them first before we continue. Make sure you are happy with the wiping area. Once you are satisfied, let's turn off the wiper and finish the project. Don't over tighten the wiper nuts. Then, we install the plastic covers. And that is how you fix by reinstalling the missing wiper arm links on this 2005 BMW Z4. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arja, and thank you for watching.